One of you guys said I went so fast couldn't see what it was. Ready to go, Rosemary says. Beyond excited, Thomas says. I'm excited. Hoot, hoot, Brian says. Woo, hoo, Joe says. Sweet. Let's do it, Dave says. All right, well, let's do it there, Dave. Let's get on to secret number 3. And secret number 3 now is all about fail often, make more. How to build a thriving online business even if you fail 98% of the time. So the biggest misconception is you need to do everything perfect to succeed. Well, as Salvador Dali says, you have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it. You guys ever realize that? We're never going to reach perfection, all right? So just realize, though, this business is a numbers game. Let me show you what I mean by that. Soon after I partnered with Learn, Onyx team created 8 different mug designs to test out this fail often theory. All right, the 98% that you can fail 98% of the time. So these are the same mugs that I showed you earlier in the picture. All right. They surveyed their readers, and 48% who responded really liked 2 of the 8 designs. As you can see, they're on the left. All right, we have the when life pushes you straight, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back. Onyx says it all the time. And the other one there, I never fail, I succeed, or I learn. Now, while I understand survey results don't always match sales, that's a potential 25% success rate, much higher than the 2% rate that we've been talking about here. But the best part is 8 designs took a matter of minutes to create. And yet, if each of these survey votes was a sale, you'd be looking at $26,904 in profit for less than 30 minutes of work with no upfront cost. All right, so who would be willing to invest just 4 weekends to create an $11,450 per month income? All right. Again, if you're excited about this, again, I know it says real easy, but again, I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Enter me if this sounds like this is great for you. Excited Bill says, me, says Caradad. Me, Yanni says. Me, exclamation point, Elias says. Me so far, Kevin says. Me, I would. What place you need to, okay, of course, you bet. All right, great. Yeah, guys, absolutely, Lisa says. Heck yeah, no brainer, I'm in. Awesome. All right, so let's keep going. I'm not done yet. It would take you no more than 5 minutes to create a design like this, right? This says, please do not confuse your Google search with my and law degree. And you know what? You can put whatever you want down there, all right? They can personalize it, or you can put different things in there, or whatever that is. Right? It could be a whole bunch of different things. It doesn't have to be law degree, it could be whatever. 100 simple designs times 5 minutes will take you about 9 hours. So say 1 weekend to do that kind of work. All right. So even with a 98% failure rate, 2 designs should be successful. You guys make sense, right? So which is about $2,863 per month by our standards. We already came up with those numbers with our profit net. That's profit. All right. Profit, net profit. So if we repeat that same process for 3 more weekends, working the same 9 hours each weekend, and you potentially then have 8 successful designs generating you $11,453 per month in profit. You see where we came up with this number. All right. It's not some number we pulled out of the sky. We actually are showing you exactly how you can get there with a 2% success rate, 98% fail rate. All right. With 4 weekends of work. All right. And sometimes you'll end up with just one design that goes viral, and you'll reach that income with just one design, as you see with this one here. But wait a second. What if I told you can double, triple, maybe even 10x your profits with just a few extra minutes of work? How are we going to do that? Well, not only are we going to put these designs on mugs, we're then going to create the same design. We already have a design. We're going to put it on dozens of other products. You saw when I was in my Icon Ecom account, right? There's all these different things. Pillows, hoodies, T-shirts, tumblers, bags, hats, wall canvases, phone cases, mouse pads, flip-flops, laptop cases, socks, you name it. All right. It only is going to take you a few extra clicks, and your design could be on literally dozens of different products. If I went through and counted all those products that Icon Ecom has in their store, there's over 100 products, and I can take the same design and put it on every single one of them. And what does it cost us to do that? Absolutely nothing. So stay with me for a few more minutes, and I'm going to show you how you can even get over 1,000 designs and make money even if you fail 98% of them, or 98% of the time they fail. So far, here's what we covered. Now, this has been a lot. I know I've gone through this really fast, and it was an hour just coming at you like crazy, and you guys are super excited, and I appreciate you staying engaged with me.